Hello Python enthusiasts, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we'll dive into a fun Python coding challenge, reversing each word of a string. This can be a handy skill to have, especially when working with text manipulation. Let's jump right into the code. To get started, we define a function called reverse each word that takes an input string. Our first step is to split the input string into a list of words. We achieve this using the split method in Python, which divides the string based on spaces, creating a list of words. Now that we have our list of words, the next step is to reverse each word individually. We use a list comprehension to iterate through each word and reverse it using Python's slicing technique. With the reversed words in hand, we need to join them back together to form our final reversed string. We use the join method, specifying a space as the separator to concatenate the reversed words into a single string. Let's put our function to the test. We create an example string, reverse each word of a string, and call our reverse each word function. The result is then printed to the console. There you have it. We've successfully written a Python function to reverse each word in a string. Feel free to use and modify this code in your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy coding!